During ongoing market surveys, actionable intelligence was collected by Team Brand Protectors India Private Limited about a factory of counterfeit labels of Yonex and Mufti brands, as well as several other leading brands. Thereafter, logistics were organized and a swift raid action was carried out against this factory of counterfeit labels in Ghaziabad. During the raid and searches, counterfeit labels in huge quantities of Yonex and Mufti brand were seized, and the owner was arrested and an FIR was registered against him by Ghaziabad police. Watch on. Samar Abhi शेष है.